Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily hide face of any person in any type of video. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First, go to the file, then new, and select the project option. The new pop-up window appears. Rename it and type the name of the project that you want. This option is related to your GPU. If supported to your PC, then this option will be there. You can browse and set the location where you want your project to be saved. Now just click on OK. The following window will appear. So this is the project panel, where you can import your video and audios for editing. Just double tap on the empty area, or just click right mouse button and click on option, import. Select the video for editing and click on open. Now double tap on this video. As you can see, it will appear in the source panel. So, this is the video, and you can play, pause, and select the specific part of the video. As you can see, I want to hide face of this girl. So if you want to hide face of this girl, then follow my steps carefully. It's very easy. So this is the mark in and mark out option, which can be used to select the specific part of the video. And drag it to the video timeline. So if you want to hide face of this girl, then follow my steps carefully. It's very easy. Just go to Window and click on Effects. The following panel will appear. Drag this panel to the right side so that we can get a clear and specific view of that panel. Click on the search bar and just search for blur. Then click on Gaussian blur and drag it to the video timeline. Close all these irrelevant panels. Now go to the Effects control. As you can see, there is a Gaussian blur option available. Increase the blurriness as much as you want. Blur. The more you increase the quantity, the more mine is 108. But as you can see, the video is totally hide or blurred, but we just want blur or hide the face of the. So my brother, don't worry, just click on Create Mask button there. The circle is appeared which only blur a specific part of the video. My software is working slow back here as I have opened a multiple programs which are still running. Adjust it to the size of the face of that girl. So now we have successfully adjust the size according to face, but we just need to click on one more thing. That is track selected mask forward option. Premiere Pro gives us this facility that it will automatically track the face where it is going, and the blur will also go with the. Just click on it. Now you have to wait for some time. You can see the process is completed. Now just look at the video. The video is laggy because it needs to render, but you can see the face of the girl is now totally hide. So I will export it and then show you the results. Please wait for the end. So as you can see, the results are totally great. This is how you can easily hide face of anything in Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, so please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Thank you so much for watching.